Hi guys, welcome on my channel. My name is Kristyna and I'm a makeup artist and photographer. Today I have a very special guest here with my model Sita. She's the front page model of the Resident magazine and she would like to say something about herself today.
Hi guys, my name is Sita and I'm a Darwin local. I'm studying education at uni and perform a model, and I recently met Kristyna, so I thought, why not? Let's give this a go.
We actually met at a Denis Kuhl festival where I was wearing makeup and hair for the exhibition. And today we're gonna do a little session on the mango farm. We're gonna do some juicy makeup because we need to match it with the mangoes, and we're gonna go to do the thing right now. Alright guys, see you!
I need a scarecrow after what you did, 'cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing, I'm barely awake. You left me in pieces, there's no more to break. Don't wake me up.
This mango look was quite simple. I used only two colors. There was a pink and a yellow. I tried to use the gold highlighter under eyebrows, on the top of lip and a little bit on the cheeks, followed by the eyeshadow that was basically just the yellow in the corner and then the pink around the eyes, just in a crease. And I just put the eyeliner and I stick these pretty lashes. They got these gold stones around it. It looks pretty when she blinks because it's kind of shiny. And that was it. That was very simple this time. This time I really wanted to focus on high fashion. So basically we finished the makeup and started dressing up my model. We started with dress, followed by hat, shoes, gloves and the key. It made really nice details for the photo shoot, and we actually made the head ourselves. We used the red headband and stick some flowers in it. It looked very pretty and it was matching the shoes. Guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Feel free to give us thumbs up and subscribe on the bottom here. And we're gonna head to the mango farm now. Colin is waiting us at the front and we're gonna be having the next video from the photo shoot. So make sure you subscribe my channel so you will see it. And then we're gonna now catch up with Johnny and we're gonna head down to the mango farm, photo shooting with the bananas and the pineapples and with the mangoes. Alright, see you!